All right, today I'm going to show you how to connect a TV antenna signal amplifier into your over-the-air television system. Now, before you run out and buy a TV antenna signal amplifier, here's a few things to consider. First of all, an amplifier is not going to amplify signals that are not there. If you simply cannot receive a signal at all with your antenna, then an amplifier is not going to bring in extra channels. It's only going to amplify signals that your antenna is actually picking up. So if you have one or two stations that are coming in, but they're not really coming in stable, meaning that there's a little bit of pixelation and they're just kind of on the cusp of being received clearly, then that's a case where an amplifier might be helpful. On the other side of things, an amplifier can actually make your system worse. If you live in a strong signal area, amplifiers can actually over-amplify your TV signal, causing dropout on channels you should normally be able to receive without using an amplifier. Sorry for saying amplifier so many times, but it's really hard to explain amplifiers without saying amplifier. All right, let's get to the actual connections themselves. It's pretty simple. This one here has a DC power supply that plugs into the side here and just plugs into a wall outlet to provide power. The output side is always going to be the side that you connect back to your TV or digital converter box. So this coaxial cable here is running back to my digital converter box. And the input side is going to be the side you connect your antenna to. In this case, for this little experiment, I'm just using a set of rabbit ears here in my living room. And I have those attached to a 75 ohm transformer to make this connection easy. That just presses on there like that. And that's it. The light is on. And now there is this variable gain control on this model. Not all amplifiers have this, and I can just use a little tiny screwdriver to adjust that to bring the amplification gain up to a good level. You can see those channels are moving from the 40s into the 50s, and the picture is stable, no pixelation, so that's good. I'll leave that right there. Here's a few other signal amplifiers, some with interesting features. This one is just your basic single output. This one's also a single output, but has an FM trap built in. The FM trap can actually filter out powerful FM radio signals that can sometimes interfere with over-the-air TV reception. And this one is an old Nextech brand from Radio Shack that has an amplified signal for up to 4 TVs.